We're going to check out these Silicone lids. We've been using these for a few months in place of these normal lids on Pyrex and Anchor stuff. Look at these lids. They get all melty. They get all brittle and break. They're garbage. These have been awesome. You can microwave with them. You want to vent them a little bit if you're going to microwave. And they say they're leak proof, so we're going to do a leak test here. The lid's on. Give it a little burp. There we go. The hands are a little wet. Should hold all the water on. No leaks out the side or nothing. These things are like magic. Look at that, banging around in your lunchbox. Nothing. That's really impressive. Look at that. They're all flippy floppy. Put them in the microwave, no big deal. Put them in the top drawer of the dishwasher. These are like magic. I'm never going back to the old hard ones again.